If you've got $220,000 just burning a hole in your pocket, might I suggest the massive Exceed N1, the world's first unfolding TV. The N1 is a 137-inch micro-LED 4K TV capable of folding in on itself back into a base and essentially turning itself into a piece of modern art in your living room. Basically, it's a dream for the interior decorators of the rich and famous. The whole unfolding process takes about a minute and honestly is pretty mesmerizing. Exceed also told us that you have the option of having the TV rise from the floor in case you're not a fan of having a weird silver statue in your living room. If you're wondering why you can't see any of the seams on the TV, it uses something called Adaptive Gap Calibration, which pretty much increases the brightness around the edges of each panel, essentially making the gaps invisible. It's similar to what you see on big LED walls at concerts. Exceed said that the N1 is for the ultra-wealthy who want the best TV viewing experience when hosting big events, but don't want a giant TV blocking their views of Central Park from their penthouse when it's not in use. And honestly, for a billionaire, $220,000 for a TV that can make itself disappear seems like a steal. For more CES 2024 coverage, make sure you check out Gizmodo.com.